These are 5 of the best business credit cards, and this is my Amex account with over 11 million credit card points. I have used credit card points to travel basically anywhere I want to travel for free. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you not just the top 5 best business credit cards, but over a dozen of the top credit cards that you can use right now to maximize your reward travel anywhere for free on the spend that you're gonna spend anyways inside of your business. Let's hop over to my computer screen and let's dive in to the first credit card. The first card that I have is the Business Amex Gold Card. Now, this card is absolutely fantastic, and it is one of my top favorite cards. Now, what this allows you to do is not just get an intro bonus, but it's all about the special benefits of the card. As you can see here, you actually can earn 4 times points on your top 2 categories up to $150,000 per year. Now, what are those categories? Well, there's purchases at US media providers for advertising in select media. Now, this includes YouTube ads, Google ads, any type of online advertising you're doing, you earn 4 times points with the Amex Gold Card. Now, Amex points are worth around a penny if they're redeemed for cash, but up to 2 cents if you transfer them to partners and redeem them for travel. And so that means you could be getting anywhere from 4 to 8 cents per point back just by going and spending on advertising. So if we hop over here, you can see it's not just advertising. Any electronic goods or software or cloud system providers, purchases at restaurants, gas stations, transit, wireless telephone services, and more. You earn 4 times points. But you'll also earn 3 times points on flights and prepaid hotels, and 1 point on every other purchase. You also get a bunch of different credits. You can see here a $240 flexible business credit, Walmart Plus membership, a bunch of other perks. But the other thing that's important to know with all of these cards is they all have a welcome bonus. That means when you sign up and you spend a certain amount of money in the first few months, you'll get additional points. Now, this is usually 100,000 membership points, but right now it's 200,000 points with the referral offer, which is a special referral welcome bonus. Now, this is actually available on the special link I'm gonna put down below. So I'm gonna post my referral links down below, and you can check those out, and those actually have increased offers than what you might find elsewhere. And that's on top of that 4x or 3x if you spend it on ad spend. So these points can add up very quickly. Now, you'll also notice that you have 0% APR for the first 6 months, which means you're paying 0% interest in the first 6 months of this card. It really just makes it an all-around amazing credit card to get and our biggest highly recommended card. Now, the next card that we want to dive into is the Venture X Business Card. This card is quickly becoming one of my all-time favorites. It allows you to earn unlimited 2 times miles on every single purchase. 2 miles on every purchase. Now, you can see here that you'll also earn 150,000 miles as a bonus when you spend 30K in the first few months. And you're also gonna get a $300 annual travel credit. Now, the card itself is a $395 annual fee, but with the travel credit, as long as you spend on travel each year, it's effectively only a $95 annual fee. So that's one thing you wanna look at is some of these cards, and most of these cards, have an annual fee. However, you wanna find ways to offset that fee both with the points and the credits that you can earn. The next card that we have is the Inc. Business Preferred Card. Now, this card allows you to earn 3 times points on advertising, shipping purchases, internet and cable, and travel. So this is great if you're shipping products. If you've got an e-commerce business, you get 3 times points on shipping, which is a big expense for e-commerce businesses, and you also get 3 times points on ad spend. Now, you might be wondering, well, why would you do this versus the 4 times points on the Amex Gold? Well, both of these are capped at $150,000 per year. So if you spend a lot of money on ads like we do, you go through that 150K pretty quickly. Now, that's the big perk of this card, but you'll also be able to get 90,000 bonus points when you use the link down there below. Now, the next card we want to talk about is the Business Platinum Card. Now, you're probably wondering why this wasn't the first one that I mentioned. Honestly, I think the Gold Card, Venture X Card, and also the Chase Preferred Card are a little bit better for most business owners. However, the Amex Business Platinum is an amazing card to have. And it has a massive welcome bonus as a referral offer. You can see instead of 150,000 points, it's 250,000 membership rewards points when you use that link down below. You'll notice that it has a variety of different credits. Now you'll see it has over $1,000 worth of credits and special offers. $400 at Dell, $200 every half year, $360 at Indeed, $150 at Adobe, $120 wireless credit. You have Clear, which is great if you're going to an airport, you're waiting in line, you actually get Clear Plus for free, which means skip the line, get on the plane fast. I've traveled a lot to speak at different events, and so this allows me to skip the line really fast. And then even a $200 airline fee credit. You also get access to the Global Lounge Collection, which means that you can get access to airport lounges at over 1,400 different locations. This is awesome because whenever I get to the airport, if I'm traveling somewhere or flying back, I get to go straight to the lounge, show them my Amex Platinum card, and I get in, and I'm able to have a good time, able to have free complimentary food, drinks, all of that before my flight, and it's a lot better than, kind of feeling like a sardine around the regular airport. Now you'll also get some other perks, like getting guaranteed late checkout at certain hotels, and for the multipliers, you're gonna earn 5 times points on flights and prepaid hotels on AmexTravel.com. You also get 1.5 times points on purchases over 5K. Other purchases you should probably put on that Venture card to get 2 times points. But this card is great for perks, for travel, and 5 times points on any of your flights and hotels booked directly with this card. Now the next card is our first cash back card. So if you want to collect cash back instead of earning points, then this is going to be a great card for you. It's the Chase Inc. Business Premier card. And as you can see, you're going to be able to earn 2.5% cash back on large purchases of $5,000 or more, or 2% cash back on every other purchases, unlimited 2% cash back. So similar to how the Venture X card has unlimited 2 times miles, then this card, the Chase Inc. Premier, is gonna have unlimited 2% cash back on all of your purchases. Now, you can also redeem this through the travel portal as well, and not just directly in cash, so you have some optionality. Now, in addition to that, you're also gonna get a $1,000 bonus after spending $10,000 when you use the link down below. It's like a free $1,000, it's amazing. And so this card is gonna be really valuable for you as well, especially if you're looking for cash back. Speaking of cash back, I also wanted to share Rakuten. Rakuten allows you to earn cash back just by shopping through their portal at basically every major online retailer. Now, let's say you wanted to use that Amex Platinum Dell credit. As you can see, you get $200 statement credit twice a year using the Amex Business Platinum. Well, you can stack that with Rakuten. You just go and search for Dell, and you can see you get up to 12% cash back on any purchases made with Dell. All you gotta do is click this Shop Now button once you're on Rakuten, and it's gonna activate 12% cash back. What that means is you're not only gonna get a $200 credit, but you're gonna get 12% of your purchase back when you go and make a purchase through Dell, through Rakuten. So all you gotta do is start all of your purchases with Rakuten, and you can use this at literally thousands and thousands of different websites. You can see here, Macy's 12%, Dell 12%, a wide variety of different stores that you probably already shop at, and you can earn additional cash back by using Rakuten. This is a great way to stack your rewards and stack your bonuses, and you can even redeem these for Amex membership rewards points. Now, the next card is the first card that we have that has a $0 annual fee. Now, I do think that the annual fees for these other cards are justified. However, if you're looking to get a card that doesn't have an annual fee, but still earns some good rewards, the Amex Business Blue Plus credit card could actually be a great card for you, because this allows you to earn 15,000 membership reward points when you spend your first few $1,000s, and it also has 0% interest on purchases for 12 months. So it's a great starter card. And it also has 2 times points on up to $50,000 per year, and then after that, it's 1 times points. And so this is a great initial card if you're looking just to break into credit cards for the first time and you're a little bit wary of having one of those annual fees. That being said, I do want to tell you that these other cards, even if they have a $95 or $295 annual fee, are really worth it because you get so much more in benefits. But this can be a great starter card for you if you want to find one just to dip your toes into the water. Now, the next card that we have is the Marriott Bonvoy Business Card. Now, this card allows you to earn extra points if you're staying at Marriott hotels. As you can see, 6 times points at Marriott, 4 times points on other purchases at restaurants, gas stations, different locations as well, also shipping, and then 2 times points on other purchases. Now, this is gonna allow you to earn additional Marriott rewards points. So if you stay at Marriott, it's gonna be very valuable. You also get complimentary Marriott Bonvoy Gold status, and you're gonna earn 3 free nights when you sign up and make a certain amount of purchases. Now, this is really gonna depend on the hotels that you stay at. I personally stay at a lot of Marriott hotels. I've got titanium status, which means I get a lot of upgrades. And so this card is a great addition to my wallet. So whenever I'm booking Marriott travel, I get an extra 6 times points by using this card. There's also the Hilton Honors business card. If you're more of a Hilton person, you can use the Hilton Honors business card, and this allows you to earn 12 times points at Hilton. Now, note that Hilton points are a little less valuable than Marriott points or Amex points, so it's not like it's twice as good. It's kind of similar to the 6 times points at Marriott. But you can earn 12 times points at Hilton and 5 times points on other purchases up to $100,000 per year. And it also gives you complimentary Hilton Honors Gold status and 175,000 Hilton Honors bonus points. Marriott's my primary, but if there's not a Marriott there, I'll stay at Hilton, and then I can use this card and earn some additional points and status. And finally, we have the Delta SkyMiles Reserve business card. I fly a lot on Delta, so this gives me extra perks on Delta, but you can of course find the credit card that makes the most sense for the airline that works for you. So I'm using this as an example. And you can see here that this card allows me to earn 3 times points on every eligible dollar spent at Delta, and then 1 times mile on all the other purchases, and an elevated 1.5x after reaching $150,000 of spend. You also get some cash back at Delta flights, and it gives you complimentary Delta Sky Club access, which by the way, you do also get with the Business Platinum card. You also get access to the Centurion Lounge, similar to the Platinum card, and you'll get 1.5 times miles after a certain amount of spend. You'll also get some bonuses that allow you to quickly get status at Delta, and even a companion certificate that you can use each year to be able to book someone else on a flight right alongside you. You get some other credits like Resi and Rideshare, and you also get 15% off when booking award travel. You also get on the upgrade list and more, and so there's a lot of additional perks involved inside of this Delta SkyMiles Reserve card. Now, this card is a $650 annual fee, so it's a little bit of a higher annual fee, but if you fly a lot on Delta, it can be really valuable for you. And so those are my top credit cards that you can use to travel hack rewards points. Now, I actually have a video that I made on the best personal credit cards, and there's a lot of really good ones on there. You're gonna want some of those too. I'm gonna link that in the annotations and in the description down below. Also, all the links to the credit cards I mentioned are in the description down below, and those also have the special referral links to get those additional bonuses, so make sure you use those, because oftentimes it's better than what you'll get if you're just searching online. This is how you can travel hack and earn additional rewards whenever you're going out and traveling. Let me know down in the comment section below what your favorite business credit card is, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.